In this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract columns on a pivot table in Excel. So in order to do that, first of all, select your pivot table right here. And you'll have to keep in mind that you need to know what columns you want to subtract. So after you do that, simply go to pivot table analyze. And right here, select fields, items, and sets. And right here, you'll have to select calculate field. So you'll have to name right here the field. For example, I'm going to simply insert a random name right here. So what you'll have to do, for example, if I want to uh, subtract a year, if I want the year to be the subtract column and the type to be subtracted, all I need to do is simply select year right here and then simply add a minus and then select type. And after that, I'm going to simply click OK. So as you can see, a new column has appeared right here. So basically, this is how you do it. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.